This is Mahmoud Hassan Meraz. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we are going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is the isometric view and all the dimensions are given in the isometric view. So first of all, I will start drawing from the front plane. In the front plane, I will draw this shape. And for drawing this shape, first of all, we can see the center point from this circle to this circle. It has a distance of 72 unit. So first of all, from this midpoint I will draw a center line, and this center line has a dimension of 72 unit, and from this middle point I will draw a circle, and this circle has a dimension of 60 unit. After that I will draw another circle for in this point, and this circle has a dimension of radius 16 unit, and again from this point I'll draw another circle here, and this circle has a radius 16 unit. Then I'll tangent all the point here and here and here. After that I'll extrude proceed to 35 unit. Okay, let's go back to our sketch. So I'm selecting the front plane from here. Now right click on it, now sketch, now normal to it. After that select the midpoint from here, midpoint line, and draw a line of 72 unit. Okay, so you can see it has a dimension of 72 unit. Now press OK. Now right click on it and make it construction geometry and select this line. Now press cross. Okay, now go to circle and take the circle and draw a circle of 60 diameter. Okay, and here we have a circle of 16 radius, which will be multiplied by 2, 32 diameter, and draw another circle here, and this circle has a 16 radius, so multiplied by 2, it will be 32 unit. Now press OK. Now we need to draw tangent line. For drawing the tangent line, you can draw one tangent line here, then you can mirror other side, or you can draw all the 4 tangent line manually. I'll draw here manually. Let me show you another method. So first of all, I'm drawing 4 line like this way. Sorry. I'm drawing 4 line like this way. So select and draw 4 tangent line. Okay, I will show you how to tangent it. So I have drawn these 4 lines. Okay, so our 4 lines has been drawn. Now it's time to make them tangent. So I'm selecting this line and select this circle, and from the relation select tangent. Now press OK. Again select this line and select this bigger circle and make them tangent. Now press OK, and in the same way you can do the same features to the other side also. So those of you will have problem by direct clicking the tangent line, you can draw outer line, then you can make tangent manually later. So I'm selecting these 2 circle, now making them tangent. Okay, select this line and this circle and make them tangent. Again select this circle and this line, make them tangent. This line and this circle and make them tangent. Now press OK. Now it's time for trimming. So now we will select the trim option. Okay, and now trim the unnecessary line. So the lines we don't need, we will trim that line. So trim this way. Okay, we can zoom it here. We can see here, see another extended line here. So again, now trim this line and trim this 2 line also. Okay, all the trimming has been done. Now we need to trim the inside part. So I'm trimming the inside part here. Again trim this way and trim this way. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 35 unit. So I am extrude bossing it to 35 unit. Now press OK. Now let's go back to our sketch. In our sketch we can see we have a circular profile here, and this circle has a dimension of 60 diameter. Then I will extrude boss it to in this way, and this extrude boss has a dimension of 40 unit. Then we can see we have some extrude cut portion, and in the back face we can see we have a we have a square. Square dimension, it has a square of 18 unit, and it has extrude cut of 18 unit. Then we can see we have a circular cut here, and this circular cut has a dimension of 16 unit, and it has a extrude cut of 5 unit. Then we can see we have another bigger circular cut, and this bigger circular cut has a dimension of 30 unit. Then I'll cut it to through all. Then we can see in this upper face here and this lower face here we have two extrude hole, and this extrude cut hole and this hole are dimension of M10 unit. Okay, and after that final we can see we have a chamfer here, and this chamfer portion has a dimension of 2 unit by 45-degree angle. So let's do all the features. So I'm selecting this this upper face. Now right click on it. Now sketch. Now normal to it. After that select the circle tool from here and draw a circle of 60 units. So dimension to 60 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 40 unit. So extrude bossing it to 40 unit. Now press OK. So our this dimension has been done. Now it's time for all the extrude cut portion. For that I'm rotating this face. Now select this back face. Now right click on it. Now sketch. Now normal to it. First of all, our extrude cut has a square, so I'm selecting the center rectangle from here and draw a center rectangle of equal dimension. So it will be 18 unit by 18 unit. Okay, now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude cut. Now we have a extrude cut of 18 unit, so dimension it to 18 unit. For the first, select the blind tool from here and now dimension to 18 unit. Now press OK. Now go to our sketch. Now select this inner face. Now right click on it. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Then select the circle, and this circular extrude cut has a dimension of 16 diameter. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude cut. Now extrude cut to 5 unit. So I'm extrude cutting it to 5 unit. Now press OK. Now this time select the most inner part. Okay, so selecting the most inner part. Now right click on it. Now sketch. Now normal to it. After that select the circle tool here and draw a circle of 30 diameter, and now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude cut. Now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to through all. Now extrude cut it to. Now press OK. Now this time we will do the chamfer. For that I am selecting the chamfer tool from here, and we have a chamfer of 2 by 45 unit. So dimension to 2 by 45 degree. And now select this portion. Now press OK. So this portion has been done. Now the final stage is the extrude cut hole. For that we will select the hole widget because it has a dimension of M10. So I'm selecting the hole widget from here. Now select this whole option. Now select the tap drill from here, and from this size select the M10 size. We have some variation of M10 size. There is M10 1.0, 1.25 or 1.5 unit. These are the pitch unit which will use in the thread. So I am selecting here M10 into 1. Okay, now go to 3D position. Now go to 3D sketch. Now position your sketch, and for that I am selecting the view orientation and selecting this front face. And if I hover my cursor here, we can see the previous circle origin and placing the hole to the previous circle origin. Again I am selecting this, hovering my mouse in the previous circular path. We can see our previous circle origin and placing it here. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. So as you can see, we have done our 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.